There are 2 screws that we need to take out to access the old engine air filter. We're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to get these out now. Once you get these out, you're going to be able to lift up on the housing to access the old engine air filter. Pull out the old engine air filter. Make sure to clean out any leaves or debris that are underneath. Now let's put in the new engine air filter. Make sure it's pressed all the way down so that it seals tightly. Once you get that in, put on the cover. Make sure it's down all the way. And now put in the 2 screws. And you're all done.